Hi guys, welcome to Jana's Life. Today I'm going to be doing a squishy haul. And writing them. So first I have this butter squishy. It's very slow rising and I love it so much. Next, this is my least favorite one, so I'm going to get a 0 out of 10. It's this Chico squishy. It doesn't even feel good. It feels like rubber. Garbage. Okay. Next is my most favorite. It's this bread. So cute. It's a little pink bread. Like, it's so good. It's sticky. It's a perfect texture. 10 out of 10. Next, I have this peanut squishy. It's not the viral one, like the crunchy one. It's just a normal peanut squishy. Next, I have another butter squishy. It's this one. Next, that one will get like a 4 out of 10. But then next, I have this cheese squishy. Next is my Taba squishies. So first, I have this paw. I'm gonna give this 3 out of 10 because it doesn't really make that much sound. And then next, I have this strawberry Taba squishy. It's really cool. Most of my squishies are from Amazon, so most of them are fake, but it's okay. And then next, I have this mango one. So cute. Now, and my last squishy, which is probably one of my other favorites, is this giant pickle. It sounds so good. I got the air out of it, so now it's just like so good. Well, that's my squishy haul. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.